Hello, everyone, and welcome back to EasyTalk English.
Where learning English is easy,
Natural
fun,
and confidence starts one conversation at a time.
today we're practicing something that makes many English learners nervous.
Talking English at the bank.
And trust me, even native speakers sometimes feel stressed at the bank.
Too many questions.
Too many forms,
Too many serious faces.
and sometimes very confusing English.
But don't worry. Today we'll practice real conversations you can actually use in real life.
Simple English,
Natural English
beginner-friendly English,
and confidence-building English.
plus later in the video, we'll show you one small English mistake that instantly sounds strange at the bank.
And many learners make this mistake.
So stay until the end.
Let's begin.
Imagine this. You walk into a bank in another country.
Your heart is beating fast,
You practiced English at home.
but suddenly your mind goes blank.
The bank employee smiles and says,
How can I help you today?
and your brain says, goodbye.
That happens to many learners.
But after today, you'll feel much more confident.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us naturally. I'd like to open a bank account.
Again,
I'd like to open a bank account.
excellent. Notice something important. We said I'd like to.
Not I want,
I want is understandable.
but I'd like sounds softer and more natural.
Native speakers use it all the time.
Okay, let's do our first role play. Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to open a bank account.
Sure, may I see your passport or ID?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. What type of account would you like?
Wait. This is where many English learners panic.
Because they don't know the banking vocabulary.
Exactly.
But it's actually simple. A savings account is for saving money.
And a checking account is for everyday spending.
Repeat after me. Savings account.
Savings account. Checking account.
Great. Continue the conversation. What type of account would you like?
I'd like a savings account, please.
Perfect.
You already sound professional.
Now let's make the conversation more natural. The bank employee may ask, would you like a debit card? Repeat.
Would you like a debit card?
And you can answer.
Yes, please.
Or,
No, thank you.
simple answers are okay.
Many learners think they need long, complicated sentences.
But real English conversations are usually short.
Native speakers often use simple English confidently.
Confidence matters more than complicated grammar.
Exactly. Okay, Sara. Time for the funniest mistake.
Oh no.
One learner wanted to say savings account, but said sleeping account.
Sleeping account.
Maybe the money was tired.
Guys, please don't say sleeping account.
Your money needs a bank, not a bed.
Okay, next situation. Depositing money.
Very useful English for real life.
Repeat after me. I'd like to deposit some money.
Again.
I'd like to deposit some money.
Excellent.
Let's practice naturally. Hello, how can I help you?
I'd like to deposit some money into my account.
Certainly, how much would you like to deposit?
$500.
Cash or check?
Cash.
Perfect.
Notice something important again. The sentences are short, clear, and natural.
That's how real English works.
Okay, Sarah, what's another common mistake?
Many learners say, I want put monies.
Understandable, but not natural English.
Better English sounds like this. I want to deposit money.
Or even better, I'd like to deposit money.
Tiny changes make your English sound much smoother.
Now let's practice withdrawing money.
Repeat after me. I'd like to withdraw some money.
This word is difficult for many learners.
Withdraw.
Not withdrawal.
Just withdraw.
Slowly first.
Withdraw.
Faster.
Withdraw.
Great job.
Let's role play. Hello, how can I help you?
I'd like to withdraw $200.
Certainly, please enter your PIN.
Okay.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Very natural conversation.
And easy to remember.
Now let's talk about a stressful moment.
Oh no.
Your card suddenly stops working,
Instant panic.
especially when people are waiting behind you at the ATM.
And suddenly you forget English and your own name.
Exactly.
Let's practice this situation. Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, my card isn't working.
Okay, what seems to be the problem?
The ATM says my card was declined.
Don't worry, let me check your account.
Thank you.
Your card has expired.
All out okay.
Would you like to request a new card?
Yes, please.
Perfect.
Okay, everyone, quick pronunciation tip. Expired.
Many learners pronounce every letter very strongly.
But natural pronunciation sounds smoother.
Expired.
English loves eating letters.
Very true.
Now let's learn some useful bank vocabulary naturally.
Fast round. ATM.
Debit card.
Credit card.
PIN number.
Bank balance.
Transfer money.
Online banking.
Loaned.
Interest rate.
Bank statement.
Excellent.
Okay, Sarah, let's practice another real situation.
Asking about bank fees.
Very important English.
Repeat after me. Are there any monthly fees?
Again.
Are there any monthly fees?
Great.
Let's role play. This account has a monthly fee of $10.
Are there any accounts without monthly fees?
Yes, this student account is free.
Great, I'd like that one.
Excellent English.
Now let's talk honestly for a moment.
Many people watching this video are afraid of speaking English.
Maybe your hands shake during conversations.
Maybe you worry about mistakes.
Maybe you translate everything in your head.
That is completely normal for English learners.
Confidence is not magic.
It grows through practice.
One conversation at a time.
One sentence at a time.
Even small progress matters.
So don't wait for perfect English before speaking.
Speak now.
Even simple English can create real connections.
And remember this. Native speakers do not expect perfection.
They just want communication.
Exactly.
Okay, challenge time.
We want everyone watching to practice in the comments.
Write one sentence you would say at the bank.
For example, I'd like to open a savings account.
Or, I'd like to withdraw some money.
We read your comments.
And we love seeing your progress.
Also, if this video helped your confidence,
Like the video.
subscribe to EasyTalk English.
And share this video with a friend learning English.
Because learning together feels easier.
Before we go, remember this. You do not need perfect English to have real conversations.
Real communication is more important than perfect grammar.
Speak slowly.
Speak clearly.
And don't fear mistakes.
Mistakes are part of fluency.
Thank you so much for practicing with us today.
And tell us in the comments, what real-life English situation should we practice next?
We'll see you in the next Easy Talk English lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Keep practicing English every day.